Welcome to Fit Mentor, your go-to channel for all things fitness, nutrition and health. In this short video, I shall guide you through a beginner abs routine for a small waist. In this beginner abs routine, we have carefully selected 7 exercises that will target different areas of your abdominal muscles. Are you ready to tone your core and define your abs? Let's get started. Exercise 1, the side plank. First up is the side plank. Lie on your side with your forearm on the ground, elbow directly under your shoulder. Stack your feet on top of each other and lift your hips off the ground, creating a straight line from your head to your feet. Engage your core and hold this position for 30 seconds. Release and switch sides after 15 seconds. Exercise 2 is the front elbow plank. This is a beginner variation. As you can see, we support ourselves with the knees. Get into a push-up position with your forearms flat on the ground. Keep your body in a straight line from head to toe. Engage your core, glutes and legs. Hold this position for 30 seconds as you alternate your legs one at a time. Exercise 3 is the half sit-ups. This is a beginner version as well. Lie on your back with your knees bent, feet flat on the ground and hands behind your head. Engage your core as you exhale and lift up your body off the ground. Inhale and slowly lower back down. Repeat this movement for 30 seconds. Exercise 4, the lying leg raises. Lie on your back with your legs straight and your hands placed underneath your glutes for support. Keeping your core engaged, slowly raise your legs towards the ceiling until they form a 90-degree angle with the floor. Lower your legs back down without touching the ground and repeat for 30 seconds. Get ready for the Spiderman Crunch. This is a modified version which suits the beginners. As you can see as well, you're using the knees. Start in a push-up position with your hands shoulder width apart. As you bring your right knee towards your right elbow, crunch your abs and engage your core. Return to the starting position and alternate sides. Continue this movement for 30 seconds. Now, let's work on our obliques with the Russian twist. As you can see, this is a modified version which suits the beginners as well. Lie on the floor with your back, raise your knees in a bent position up in the air and keep your core engaged. Hold your hands together in front of your chest and twist your torso to the right and then to the left. Repeat this twisting motion for 30 seconds. Our last exercise is the Flutter kicks. Lie on your back with your legs extended and arms by your sides. Lift your legs a few inches off the ground and start fluttering them up and down in a controlled motion. Keep your core engaged and perform this exercise for 30 seconds. As you can see by now, all of the exercises are beginner exercises. If you cannot complete 30 seconds, by all means start with 15 seconds, then proceed to 20 seconds before arriving at 30 seconds. If you need a longer break, longer than 30 seconds, then take a longer break. The goal is to be consistent, to be dedicated, and to be motivated. There is no rush in having results. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to never miss an update. See you in the next workout.